Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable sensitive content on Telegram. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, we need to go to our browser and type in Telegram web. So we will basically log into our account in Telegram web. Here it is, so just find Telegram web right here, somewhere right here, or there, just simply the first website. Go to it and log into your account. As you can see, I'm already logged in, but if you are not, you need to simply log into your account. And here, as you are on your web telegram.org, you need to click on the three lines in the top left corner. And now we need to go and click on settings with a little gear icon. So go to settings of your Telegram, scroll down a little bit until you will find privacy and security with a little lock icon. Click on it. Now, as we are on our privacy and security, we need to scroll down to the end until we will find sensitive content section and show 18+ content option. As you can see, it is disabled for me. So if I enable this option, I will be able to see sensitive content on Telegram. Now you'll need to simply refresh the website, clicking on this refresh button in the bottom right corner. And basically that is it. Now you are able to see sensitive content on Telegram. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.